Hi, Ahmed. You have done such a good job today. I wanted to show you one thing about an activity that I sent back to you so you can finish it. So on this activity, the back to school with seesaw, so it's this one right here. So when you do this activity, what you can do is there are 5 pages in the activity. So there's this one, and then there's this page where you write your name, and then you have to click on the next one, and you use this to type your name. And then you click on page 4, and you take a picture of yourself. So you click over here and then take a picture. And then on the last one, you use the pen, the blue pen, to draw a picture of 3 things you like, and then you record your voice telling me about those things. So give that a try and then press the green check. All right, I'll see you tomorrow morning.